Hi, I'm Bernie from Pawlik Automotive. Welcome to our series of car maintenance tips for car owners. Today we've got a really exciting subject for you, how to check your tire pressures.
The first step is to locate the proper tire pressure for your vehicle. You'll find this on a placard located inside the driver's door, and this will give you the proper tire inflation pressure when the vehicle is cold. Don't look on the tire for your proper inflation pressure. People do make this mistake. That's the maximum pressure the tire can handle, but it's too much generally for proper ride of the vehicle. Your tire pressures must be checked when the vehicle is cold, and that would include a short drive up to 2 to 3 kilometers. After that, I would suggest you add a couple of pounds pressure to the reading on the placard. So step 2 is to get your tire pressure gauge out, and in this video we're going to demonstrate a couple of different types of gauges that are common. One is a dial type of gauge and the other is a pencil type. Step 3 is to locate the valve stem on your wheel. Remove the protective cap and then push the gauge onto the valve stem. That'll give you the reading of the current tire pressure. So your next step is to remove air from the tire if there's too much pressure, and you can do that by pushing on the little valve core. You can do that sometimes by pushing the gauge lightly. If you hear a hissing sound, that means air is coming out of the tire. If you need to add air to the tire, you do that by simply pushing your tire inflator on top of that. Now, if you don't have a tire inflator like a compressor at home, you can go to a gas station. They usually have air at gas stations. You can also go to an independent garage or a tire store where they'd be happy to help you out as well. Your final step is to put the plastic cap back onto your tire valve. If you've lost that or it's missing, don't worry about it. You can have one put on at a later date. You won't lose any air pressure because of it. And that's basically it. So how often should you check your tire pressures? About once a month. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this useful. Stay tuned for our next exciting auto maintenance tip video.